So hello guys, CS Dave here. This is my first video of the Python tutorial series, and in this video I am going to show you how to install Python into your system, and we will also show the syntax for writing Python code, and finally we will talk about variables. So guys, let's get started. So for installing Python into your system, we have to open our browser first, and we have to go to python.org. So here in the download section we can see the link for the latest version of download, which is the Python 3.7.0. So by default it's showing for Windows, since I am using Windows 7. So from here you can download the exe file, and after that you can install it into your system. So moving on, we get the Python IDLE, which is the GUI version of Python, and we also get the command line interface of Python. So by default we are going to use the Python IDLE as of now. So here we will do some coding. So at first let me show you guys how to print statements. So for printing statements we have to write print, and in braces we have to give quotes, and here the line that we want to print. So suppose I want to print hello, this is my first line of code. So after hitting enter, you will see that the line has been executed. So moving on, we will now see what are indentations. So guys, in Python, indentations are must. In other programming languages, indentation is there only for the ease of readability of the code, but here indentation is very important. So let me give an example. That let us take a variable called condition, and let us assign a value of 1. So let us write a if statement. So this line means that if condition is true. So if you guys can see here that a space has been indented to the right, so that shows us that the cursor has gone inside the if block. So let us perform some task inside the if block. So let us do some printing. So print you are inside the if block. So if we hit enter twice, so you can see that the line has been printed. So there goes indentation. So now let us come to comments. So how to do comments in Python? So for commenting in Python, we have to use the hash symbol, and after that we have to write our comment, such as this is the comment. So if I hit enter here, you can see that nothing has been printed. So that this is because this is a comment and has no effect on the program. So Python also have documentation capabilities. So it is capable of doing multi-line comment, which we also call as doc strings. So we can use doc strings here by giving 3 quotes. So this is a doc string. So you can see that the line has been printed. So moving on, we will see now what are variables. So let us do some printing here. Print what are variables. So variables are those where we can store our values, which can be of different types. Such as if we take 3 variables such as x, y and z. So we will assign x with a value of 1, and next we will assign y with a value of 2.5, which is a float value, and next we will assign z with a string such as CS Dave. So if we want to see the type of the variable, we have to do like this, print, and inside that we have to write type of x. So it shows that the x variable is of integer type. So here we don't have to declare the variable as integer, float or string. So Python actually gets to understand itself what values are assigned into it, and it describes its type itself. So if I do the same for y and z, so print type of y, so you will see that it is of float type. And the next line, if I do print type z, so you will see that it's of string type. So that's it guys. So we see here what are variables, and that's it for today. So thanks for being here, and if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.